Oedd e'n galed I fi a fy neulu. Fi ddim yn gwybod beth oedd yn digwydd ar yr amser a beth oedd yn mynd I digwydd iddo fe. Ond I tynnu fy sylw, oedd fi'n canu llawer gyda fy mam, mynd I cystadlaethau gyda ffrindiau, a oedd hwnna'n helpu llawer I just ddim cofio beth oedd yn digwydd. Meddyliais I recordio fi'n canu a roi yn y glystiau yn yr MP3 ac oedd fi'n teimlo fel oedd fi'n helpu fe I deffro. Oedd e mewn coma am 2 fis. Mae fe'n ffein nawr, ond ar yr amser fyna oedd e'n llawer o hwyl just I canu, I tynnu fy sylw.
I can't comprehend how much of a difficult time it was for them all, you know. If anything, I had the easiest job because I was just lying there. I wish I could say I remembered the songs that she played. I didn't, you know. But there's one particular song that I've heard since, and every time I hear it, oh, I cry.
Beth ti'n mynd I ganu ni heddiw?
Supermarket Flowers, Ed Sheeran.
Oh, lovely.
I took the supermarket flowers from your windowsill, poured the day-old tea from the cup, packed up the photo album Matthew had made, memories of a life that's been loved. Took the get well soon cards and stuffed animals, threw the old ginger beer down the sink. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down, but Mom, there's a tear every time that I blink. I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived, so I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go, and when God takes you back, you'll sing hallelujah. Ooh. The person I have become. Spread your wings as you go, and when God takes you back, He'll sing hallelujah.
Dwi byth wedi clywed unrhyw beth mor prydfer. Mor prydfer. Mor emosiynol. Just stori...
Okay. That was...